Okay, this is the Kubota 95-2. So far I've done everything through the upper part here. The one bolt on the filter here. Down, you have to go down through the little hole. Be sure you got a good 14mm wrench, and you can get it loose and spin it off with your finger, but it's going to drop. There it is. I'm going to get my magnet and get it up out of there. Without my flashlight I can't see. It is extremely hard to get that one last bolt out. Or nut. Excuse me, nut. It's off the exhaust manifold. There it is, I got it up out of there. You can only get 2 little fingers on it, and that's it. Anybody with fat fingers would never get it done. And as you can see, it is loose in there now. So like I said, I've done everything without, I didn't have to tilt the cab up. I did everything down through here. It still has something holding it from coming on back, but I believe that I can get one of the younger guys out here and lift it up out of there. So I put pictures on there too. I'm going to put them all in with the video. So my plan is to pull a pipe off of the manifold and just come right up out of there. So also these sensors here, I could not get them unplugged, so I haven't checked that out much. And then the 5th injector, I'm going to leave it plugged up. I'm just going to tie it up underneath there. But yeah, let me get one of the younger guys down here to see if they can't pull that out of there. Well, the way this cast bracket is, it will not let it clear the little flange on the muffler here. So it's got to come loose. So we're attempting to take, it's got 3 bolts down here. We got to get a cheater bar or something on this because it's so tight we can't move it. But everything else is loose and ready to go. So that cast bracket had that little ear, I don't know if you can see it, right there. If that was cut out, it would come right off of there. So we're going to keep going. Alright, I did get it out. You do have to remove the belly pan to get to the 2 bottom bolts on that cast bracket. It will not come out unless you've got that loose. The cast bracket has it covers this bolt. That bolt makes it really hard to get through. Well, the nut on the stud. So there's the whole insides. Get the right side of the machine up on some blocks like we did. Access the belly pan, then you can get in there to get the bottom bolts on that bracket. I'm going to remove the complete bracket and saw that area around them studs where I can get the muffler on there again without having to go through that. But there it is. It's out.